ain't never seen that much money in my life. $19.99? God damn, boy. Appreciate you. Hopefully this next order ain't 10 miles. Hopefully this next one ain't 10 miles. Just don't do me too bad, DoorDash. God damn. Who the hell is this revving this engine behind me? I don't play that shit. Oh, hell no. We about to do some crazy shit. These people think I'm one of these college kids. I don't play that shit. I don't play them games. Listen. I got full coverage in this motherfucker. Play if you want to. I'm going to the hospital. Because I can't breathe. I'm telling you. Don't play around with me. I got full coverage. Hey. I'm falling. So it hit me. I'm falling out of the car. I can't move. I'm having an asthma attack. My allergies messing up. Play if you want to. Play if you want to. I'm telling you. I'm not playing. Keep revving that engine. I'm telling you. We're going to be right here. Until the ambulance get here. Because I'm getting paid. Yeah, all right. I always drive slower. I'm trying to tell you. I'm going to get a brand new 2025. Damn, DoorDash just played me, bro. They sent me over there for $3. I'm Top Dasher, made $30 in 4 hours. Shout out to the Top Dashers helping me out. Shout out to all the Top Dashers, all the Platinum Dashers. Everybody who take $30 for 4 hours, hey, you the MVP. Promise you that. Platinum Dasher is somebody who don't care about money. They never cared about money. Matter of fact, when they signed up to work for DoorDash, that was the last thing they was concerned about, was making money. That's what a Platinum Dasher is. Somebody who just want to deliver for the joy of delivering. They don't even need money at all. Half of them retired, getting a retirement check, pension, Social Security. So yeah, they don't care about no money. They don't care about none of that. All they care about is seeing other humans to have an interaction with. That's it. And you cannot compete with that. You can't compete with that. Ain't no way you can compete with somebody who never even wanted no money. He ain't even want no money. I'm trying to pay bills. This motherfucker out here trying to have a conversation with everybody. That's it. You can't compete. If I was DoorDash, I would rather have a legion of retired people delivering for $2 and having a 15-minute conversation everywhere they go than a motherfucker like me. Come on. It's very simple. You can't compete with that. These motherfuckers do a delivery, have a conversation for 20 minutes. You can't compete with that. DoorDash know what they doing. I think that was my last order right there. I done pissed myself off. I done pissed myself. We're gonna go to Chick-fil-A. When in doubt, go to Chick-fil-A, right? You son of a bitch. These motherfuckers just sent me a Wendy's order for 7 miles? Ah, oh, hell no. You got me fucked up. We ain't doing that. They just sent me this. Bro, I'm not taking that. I get 1 decline per hour. And this is the one. It was either going to be that or a 10-mile order. So I'm going to decline this one. Look, you only get 1 decline per hour. I'm using it. Go, motherfucker! We all going the same way. So whatever they send me next, either I'm taking it or that was my last order. I see you. I ain't gonna hit you. I see you. Walking 2 miles an hour. I see you. That's crazy, bro. They just tried to send me 7 miles away for Wendy's. First of all, how dare you order Wendy's from 7 miles away? That's the first thing. 2, who do you think I am? My fingernails is clean. I ain't delivering no Wendy's from 7 miles away.